Today, I'm going to break down the melodic masterpiece that is Firestone by Kygo. I think Kygo is one of the most underappreciated masters of songwriting, considering the level of fame that almost all of his songs have achieved. And today, I'm going to break down one of his best songs and show you what I think it is that he is so consistently good at, and show you how you can apply some of these techniques to your own music to make some powerful music yourself. Let's jump into it. The song starts out with one of the most recognizable pedal tones in the world. This pedal tone is a high reverb piano that plays a dotted rhythm on this D note. And we can't forget the best part of this pedal tone melody. Now, pedal tones are great because they allow you to extract a bunch of emotion out of very simple chords, as we can see here. He creates this beautiful harmony using the simplest of chord progressions in the B minor scale. And these chords are the B minor, A major, G major, back to A major. I'm going to spread these out some by taking the third and putting it up an octave, and creating another pedal tone on this D. Listen to the magic of these chords and pedal tone coming together. That's my favorite part. I could be a mile away from the speaker that's playing this song and barely make out what the song is, but as soon as I hear these three notes, I'm like, that's Kygo Firestone. So this intro here runs for 8 bars with a vocal. And then in this next section, the chords change from a piano to this pad sound, which is one of the most fun sounds to make. And then we get this transition from the piano to the pads. And then the vocals going. And it's this transition that starts the discussion of what I think Kygo is so good at, and that is how he keeps his arrangements interesting by changing or adding something every 8 bars. And out of the hundreds of songs I remade for you guys on YouTube, I've noticed Kygo has the most dynamic arrangements of all of those songs. I think we're onto something. Let's keep moving. So these chords run for 16 bars, and then the piano comes back. And now we can see a pattern where we go 8 bars and something changes, and then 8 more bars and something changes. And now we're here, where he shifts the energy of the song from very mellow to more upbeat and dancey. And he does that by changing the chord sound to these dance plucks. So we're going to take the chords, put them on this dance pluck layer, we get this sound. But he doesn't leave the chords like this. He makes a big change here to really increase the energy. So these chords actually flip, and they flip to this ascending progression. Notice how this progression now ascends. Ascending progressions tend to have a more positive or uplifting tone. This is different from how the first chord progression descends, which will carry more of a sadder or serious tone. And just that alone will create a big energy shift, but there's a lot more to it, because these dance plucks actually change into a more groovy dotted 8th rhythm with a little bit of swing. Now let's listen to our energy shift from these mellow pads to these dance plucks. This is so exciting. Now we will keep the changes every 8 bars coming. These chords will play for 8 bars by themselves. And then for the second round of 8 bars, one of the most memorable melodies in EDM history will come in. All right, so I found 3 synth sounds that we could sandwich together to make this lead melody. This one I made. This one I found using Nexus 4. This one I also found using Nexus 4. This melody is so much fun to make. I've been making it for years. Alright, I'm going to take this melody and add a little bit of swing. It's where you offset the rhythm to add more groove. Now here it is. And here it is with layer 1. Now here it is with all the layers and the chords. Now Kygo's smart. Of course he's not going to give us this whole melody yet. He's going to work it in with some cutoff automation to create tension. Feel that tension? And the song actually does a big pause right here. And it's a fantastic pause, and the vocal says something like, "And we light up the world." And then the song really starts. And then these melody notes, along with some passing notes, along with some pianos playing a dotted rhythm, with some extra synth layers to add energy. The song opens up into one of the best hooks in the world. And before the arrangement loops around and repeats, the bass and the kick come in. I had to transpose this part for copyright issues, so it'll sound a little weird. Isn't that fun? It's such a fun melody. But look at how every 8 bars there is a change in the arrangement. That's how you keep a song interesting and exciting. That's a video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out this video where I break down the arrangement techniques of Porter Robinson. And if you would like to go even deeper into your music production education, check out my EDM Bootcamp course at the top of the description below. That course for a limited time comes with premium access to my private Discord community. And it also comes with 3 bonus courses. Again, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.